Hey guys, this is me Pile. In today's video, I am going to show you how to unblock yourself on WhatsApp by following these simple steps. So first of all, what you have to do is open up the WhatsApp application on your mobile phone. So they are going to be people who you have blocked, are the people you have been blocked by them. So what you are going to do is go and tap in the three dotted bar option at the right side of the screen, that is like at the right top upper corner of your screen. When you are gonna tap on it, a new dialog box is going to appear in which you are going to click on the last option of the settings. After going on that, a new page would appear in which you are going to go, and first of all go in the chats option and then go into the chat backup and backup all your chat. Backup is important because you will lose your data. You can lose your data or message that you have made into different accounts or people, so it is very important to do. So what you are going to do is go back into the settings mode and go into the account option. So without going any further, I like to tell you one thing, and that is if somebody block you on your WhatsApp, that does not mean that person has necessarily blocked your account. In fact, your WhatsApp account is blocked by that person. So what you are gonna do is go into the privacy mode. So go into the delete my account option and then you are going to go and delete your account. Once you have deleted your account on WhatsApp, everything would be cleared up, so no longer that person has unblocked you, so you will be free. Then you will make another account by the same number, and you have done that chat backup thing, so your account or your messages or your profile information and anything that is important won't be lost. So by this you won't be blocked by that person anymore. So I will quickly sum up. You will delete your account first by writing your number here. For example, this is my number. So what I am gonna do is, when I am going to tap on delete my account, and OTP would be automatically generated and sent to my number, and when it is sent to my number, I will just go through it or check it or authorize it, or I will, once the OTP is sent on my phone number that I have written, I will verify it, and after verification process my account would be deleted. Then I will go once again make a new WhatsApp account on the same number. When I will do it again, I will no longer be blocked by that person anymore, because in the first place at on I will delete my account, and hence that person no longer blocks me. So this was the process by which you can unblock yourself on WhatsApp.